Ever wondered how Dame Judi Dench, the iconic British actress, manages to look so radiant and youthful even at 89? In today's video, we're diving into the 10 food habits that keep Dame Judi Dench looking younger and more vibrant than ever. This video is based on careful research and proven science to give you reliable information. From starring in unforgettable roles to winning countless awards, Dame Judi Dench has been a symbol of grace, elegance, and resilience. But what's the secret sauce behind her age-defying looks? Let's start with the first habit on our list. First, fresh, organic vegetables and fruits. Dame Judi is a huge advocate for fresh, organic produce. She believes in eating plenty of vegetables and fruits that are free from pesticides and chemicals. Organic produce is richer in antioxidants, which combat the free radicals responsible for aging. It's no wonder her skin looks so radiant. Second, a handful of nuts and seeds daily. Judi includes a handful of nuts and seeds in her daily diet. These tiny powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They help keep her skin supple, her hair shiny, and her energy levels high. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids found in nuts like walnuts and seeds like flax seeds are known to keep wrinkles at bay. Third, herbal teas over caffeine. While most of us reach for that cup of coffee in the morning, Dame Judi opts for herbal teas. She swears by their calming properties and the way they promote hydration and digestion. Chamomile, peppermint, and green tea are among her favorites, each one loaded with antioxidants that help maintain her youthful glow. Fourth, berries for breakfast. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are a staple in Dame Judi's breakfast routine. These superfoods are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which not only protect her skin, but also support her overall health. Starting the day with berries is her way of ensuring her body gets a nutrient boost first thing in the morning. Fifth, lean protein, especially fish. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Dame Judi favors lean sources like fish, which is not only low in calories, but also high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are great for the skin, keeping it elastic and youthful. She often enjoys grilled salmon or trout, which are packed with these age-defying nutrients. Sixth, olive oil, a Mediterranean secret. Taking a page out of the Mediterranean diet, Dame Judi uses olive oil in her cooking and salads. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help to nourish her skin from the inside out. This could be one of the reasons her skin looks so hydrated and glowing. Seventh, the occasional indulgence in dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dame Judi doesn't shy away from the occasional treat. But when she does indulge, it's in a piece of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are great for skin health. Plus, it satisfies her sweet tooth without the guilt. Eighth, staying hydrated with water and lemon. Hydration is key to maintaining youthful skin, and Dame Judi never forgets to drink plenty of water throughout the day. She often adds a slice of lemon to her water for an extra vitamin C boost, which helps in collagen production, keeping her skin firm and smooth. Ninth, eating the rainbow. Dame Judi makes sure her plate is always colorful. She follows the eat the rainbow philosophy. By including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, she ensures that her body gets a wide range of nutrients, each playing a role in keeping her skin vibrant and her body healthy. 10th, fresh herbs for flavor and health. Finally, Dame Judi loves using fresh herbs like basil, parsley, and rosemary in her meals. These herbs not only add flavor without extra calories, but are also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in keeping her youthful appearance. So there you have it, 10 food habits that help Dame Judi Dench defy age and continue to shine on and off the screen. Remember, these habits aren't just for celebrities. They're easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Try them out and see how they work for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy living and ageless beauty. See you in the next video.